I got a lot of comments on a post I made the other day about the stock market, so I figured I'd go ahead and speak on it a little bit. And I guess it's gonna have to be something that I start getting more used to because I was just always the type that'll write. I write all day, but just speaking and stuff like that wasn't really my thing. But in order to grow, you gotta be comfortable getting uncomfortable. But anyway, yeah. So I was talking about the stock market, and I was basically comparing it to a pizza. So shout out to you if you did like that post or commented on it. I appreciate that. But basically, the stock market is basically if you take a pizza, take a whole pizza, basically. All right. So you got a pizza, and you thinking about the stock market. So we'll take a company like, we'll just say Walmart. Okay. So by you investing in a share of Walmart, that's what it's called when you buy stock in the stock market. It's called a share of a company. So by you buying this share of Walmart, you basically own a piece of that pizza now. Like the whole pizza is the stock market. So you didn't just buy Walmart. So now this slice is yours. You own it. And by you owning that share of Walmart, you now legally become an owner of their business. Like, did y'all hear that? Legally, you're now a shareholder. So you now become an owner of Walmart. You own Walmart. You own a percentage of Walmart. So with you owning that percentage of Walmart, Walmart is now working for you. You feel me? You following? So you got your stock of Walmart. We'll say it's anything. The stock was $100 a share. So you bought one share of Walmart for $100. That's yours. You own it. So now the money's gonna work for you. You can sit back, kick your feet up, go outside, watch TV, eat a meal, go to sleep, watch Netflix, go to work, whatever you want to do, but that money is just going to keep working for you. Walmart's going to keep working for you now because you own that share. So now it's going to hit different when you walk in Walmart. That's how I feel for me. Like when I go in there now, it feels different. Walking around like, yeah, I own a piece of this. And see, when you start off investing, you want to make sure you keep it simple. You want to make sure you start off investing in companies that you frequent all the time. Somewhere you go every day, every other day, every week. A lot of people go to Walmart. So that's, I figured I'd use that as an example. So when you go on Walmart, it's always packed. Always. When you're looking around Walmart, it's always packed. There's always people in there. So you know it's making money. So that's a good thing. That's a really good thing. That's another good reason to invest in a company like Walmart. So, when I go on Walmart now, it be feeling good. I be like, dang, all these people in here shopping. I be like, thank you. Thank y'all. Y'all helping me. Y'all making me money. Because as y'all keep spending and spending and spending, it's going to make my stock go up and up and up. So I be in Walmart now and I be smiling at people. I remember I was in there probably I think last weekend, I was in there and I forgot what I was in there getting, but I was getting, I think some light bulbs or something. And I'm coming past the children's, the little children's area where they got the clothes and all of that. And there was a lady with a couple kids and she was looking for some clothes or something. And she was looking kind of frustrated. And so I happened to just stop, next to it on my way to the light bulbs. And she was just like, forget it. She just kind of said it out loud. And I was like, ma'am, you looking for something? And she was like, yeah, all the 3 T's are gone or something like that. She said she was looking for some pants. And so I got to digging on the table. I'm like, no, they ain't. No, they ain't. It's something right down here. And I found the one, gave it to her. I need you to buy that. That's helping my stock. You feel me? I need you to buy that. I'm gonna help you look for it. You feel me? But yeah, man. So when you own a share of a company, it basically makes you an owner. You're an owner of that business now. And that's the kind of mindset that you have to have now. So say like I wanted to own Home Depot. I buy their stock. I buy a share of their company. Now guess what? I'm an owner. So I'm on everybody. Go in there, buy all the tools you need. You know, get all the lawn equipment, all the water hoses, all the cement bricks, all the 2x4s, the lumber, buy that up. You know, I'm at work like, yo, Home Depot got to sell y'all. Y'all might want to get in there this weekend. I want them to get in there and get it because it's helping me out. And I ain't having to do no work. But you have to do your research and you got to invest in good companies. You can't just pick anything. You still got to make sure it's a good company that's profitable and that has some kind of growth. You know, you have to check the stock charts. You have to see what that company has been doing in the past 5 to 10 years, what the management looks like. You know, you have to check all of this kind of stuff. You got to do your research. Stock market is almost like having a job per se, but you only having to go to work one time and you're going to keep getting paid forever and ever and ever until you decide to sell it, unless you hold on to it. But what I mean by it's like having a job is because, okay, when you're going to work looking for a company to invest in, that's you clocking in like, all right, I'm finna spend this time on my laptop. Let me look at Walmart. Okay, let me go to their website. Let me Google who the owner is. Let me Google what they've been doing. Let me Google what their numbers been looking like for the past couple years. Let me Google what they got coming up in the future. You know, you want to dive into it. That's you doing the work. And once you go ahead and you invest and you buy that share of that company, the work is done. Now you sit back with your feet up, sipping on your whatever you drinking, whatever you sipping, and you making money. You know, you buy it at $100, and 2 years from now, that stock could be worth $250. That's an extra $150 that you didn't have to work a day for, a minute for, a second for. You know, this is money that's working for you now because you're the owner. You're the business owner. You invested in this stock. This is now your business. You're part owner of this business. So that's something to think about. You have to really think about it. 1% of something is a whole lot better than 0% of nothing. And I mean, you got to think about it's just, man. I just want to really break it down for y'all. So I know I'm gonna have to do some more videos like this because you have to think about just everything, like Apple, iPhone. See, I can really dive deep into them. I'm a big supporter of Apple and investing in Apple because you got to think about it. Apple, okay, take somebody that got an iPhone, or if you got an iPhone, more than likely you ain't just got an iPhone. You own something else Apple, whether it's an Apple Watch, whether it's AirPods, whether it's a MacBook, an Apple TV. You know, you own something else Apple. And just imagine how many other people in the world own more than one Apple product. Apple is a powerhouse when it comes to technology and when it comes to their stock. They a powerhouse. People that watch my story know I talk about Apple religiously in there. Religiously. They are a powerhouse. Apple ain't no joke. They're going to be around for a long time too. And I remember seeing something, I remember seeing a post somewhere that was talking about Apple, like back when the iPod first came out or the first iPhone or something like that. But it was like back in 2016 or something. If you invested, I think it was like $400 in Apple then. Today, your stock will be worth like almost $150,000 or something like that. Don't quote me. I can't remember the exact number, but that's how innovative Apple has been. Like, just think about that. $400 of my money if I just put it in the stock market and just forgot about it and just let it work. I just went on with my daily life, doing what I'm doing. In 2020, my stuff's worth $150,000 now. And all I did was put $400 in the market. Come on, you kidding yourself. You kidding yourself if you're not thinking about getting into investing. Like, it's a lot of money to be made for all of us. And the good thing about investing is it's not like, oh, you got more than me, or I'm trying to get it all before you get it. No, it's plenty to go around. He could have 10 shares. She could have 10 shares. He could have 20 shares of Apple. You know, it's plenty of it. Plenty of it. Please, y'all. We got to start getting more financially literate, and we got to get into investing. It's 3 things wealthy people do. That's what I'm going to leave y'all with. It's 3 things wealthy people do. Wealthy people buy stocks in the stock market. Wealthy people own real estate. And wealthy people stop trading their time for money. And you stop trading your time for money by investing your money. That way those assets are paying their money back. That's what I'm going to leave y'all with today. Appreciate y'all.